Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends, you are watching CSC Guide official YouTube channel, cscguideofficial.com website. Today I will tell you about provisional scholarship. So before starting this, if you haven't liked our Facebook page, CSC Guide official, because in coming days we share very important information here. So let's start. CSC Guide official, type CSC Guide official in Google and click on the first link. When you click on first link, you can see the website cscguideofficial.com and CS scholarship admissions, president scholarship, just online apply universities, no need to apply application fee. Click here if you want to get information about this. Okay, now we discuss Nanchang University Jiangxi Provincial Government Scholarship. Okay, Nanchang University Jiangxi Provincial Scholarship. Click on this link and you can see Nanchang University Provincial Scholarship. This is for authorities Jiangxi Provincial Scholarship and university name is Nanchang University. Student category undergraduate, master and PhD students. All category students can apply. 20,000 Chinese yuan in a lump sum for undergraduates. 25,000 in a lump sum for master and PhD students. Apply method just online apply. Online apply and send documents. I also send email to the university. Maybe they can give me give me response. If they give me any response, then I say I suggest to them that we don't send documents due to current situation in Pakistan. So what should we do? So let's see what happened, and if they give me any response, regarding documents and documents, then I upload here. So I also clear you in this video, they also required documents in soft form via email. Okay, so application deadline is early April to early May. So I always suggest you apply as soon as possible, because this year I think answer scholarship is the deadline of answer scholarship 30th of April, but USDC have deadline is 31st of March. So no applications are closed in USDC. So the students who are looking for apply for answer scholarship, they cannot apply because admissions are totally closed in USDC. So, okay. Eligibility criteria for students: all international students can apply. Age limits for bachelor 25, master 35 and PhD 40 years. It is not mandatory. How you apply for this scholarship? First you fill Jiangxi Provisional Scholarship application form. After that, no need to pay application fee. Prepared all documents required, documents and sent to the university address. Maybe they required in email address in email, because they clearly mention on the website. So stay with me, I will tell you. Okay, prepare all documents required documents. Result will be announced at the end of July. No need to send all documents to the University of International Office address. It's not mandatory. Why it's not mandatory? You can also confirm from the university first if you want. So I will tell you. Okay, prepare all these documents and send to the university. How? First you download Jilin Government Scholarship application form. Click here to download highest degree transcript, study plan, recommendation letters, passport copy, physical examination form, English proficiency certificate and HSK certificate if you have. Okay, and they also mention on their website you can either email your scanned copies of application documents to this email address. This is the email address, or original documents to the international students office. This is the international office. So they also mention that you can apply online. So I will also show you. Type Nanchang University in Google, and when you and click on the international admissions. When international students admission has been opened, then I think it's not been opened, so click on remove this link one, and iec.ncu.edu.cn, click on OK. After clicking on OK, click on English button. When you click on English button, you can see scholarships. Okay, Jiangxi Provincial Government Scholarship. You can see in the last page that you also can log in the online application portal. Application portal is this one, apply.ncu.edu.ck, to make a direct application and submit your documents. We will reply to the working days. Means and I also check the online application form. There is no option for Jiangxi Provincial Scholarship online application form. Just only one option been showing, like self-funded. So I think if you want to apply online application form, you select self-funded, and when you send your documents onto their email or by post, then attach all these documents like Jiangxi Provincial Scholarship application form and these all these documents. So hope so you like this video. Okay, now if you still want to download the application form, you also can download the application form. Click here to download. But if you want to download from here, click on the download option and you can see the application form for Jiangxi government scholarship. You can also download it. Okay, hope so you like this video. If you like this video, then visit our cscguideofficial.com website. All these things are available here, like regarding CSC scholarships. So good luck and take care. If you stay connected with us, we will meet you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.